this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to my trade of the day. Today, I'm going to show you an example of how using a little patience can lead to profits. So let's go to the chart. I was interested in this coin called BEL Protocol. It was listed on Binance on the 15th, so about 3 days ago. And every time I would look at it, there'd be something wrong, with the situation. I didn't get in. My new coin trading friend Ricky, who I talked about in yesterday's video about Uniswap, has been in and out of this coin too. So I wanted to see what all the fuss is about. So here's the hour chart. Like almost every new coin that's listed, it spikes up here and then drops like a rock. This one's a little more interesting because it's got some patterns here that we can work with. It's overall trending down, but there are some uptrending candles here on the hour chart. And when I see these on the hour chart, I know they're going to be looking good on the 5-minute chart. So it's around 8 or 8:30 this morning on the 18th, and let's see. Here's what I'm looking at. So I'm going back, and I'm noticing that this coin keeps bouncing off the bottom Bollinger Band here and hitting either the orange line here, which is the 20-day moving average on my chart, or the SMA line, and then frequently even the top of the Bollinger Band. So when it hits this lower Bollinger Band, it's bouncing up to one of these levels pretty consistently. And this is excellent trading action. I mean, if you get in here on this green candle, to the moving average, you've got almost 3% in 35 minutes. If you want to go to the SMA line, you've got almost 5% in 4 hours, which is still good. And if you want to live trade it, you can maybe catch this up over 12%. So these are the kind of patterns I like. And here it goes for a really nice move in the wee hours of the morning, and then it starts to come down again. But again, it's bouncing off this bottom Bollinger Band and hitting either the 20-day moving average or the SMA line. So at the time I'm looking at it, it's around, about 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's above the SMA line. It's in sort of a squeeze pattern here in the Bollinger Bands. I'm not interested in taking the trade here, but I do set an alert this time. Instead of just moving on to the next coin, I want to get in on this today. I think it has potential. I want to catch one of these bounces off the Bollinger Band and see what I can do with that. So I set the alert for 2.8545 at 8:13 in the morning. That alert triggers a few hours later at 11:55. I get my one green candle here, and I am in. So I buy BEL for 2.9101 at 12:03. I'm the beneficiary of a nice little spike here. And so I'm out of this at 3.115 at 12:18. So 15 minutes later, I've got nearly a 7% profit. Now I chose this exit point because I thought it might do something like this again. So I just sort of followed this over. I see some resistance here. And that's how maybe I can draw a line here real quick. Yeah. So, right around here is where I was looking. That's right about where it hit. So, again, 7% profit in 15 minutes is a really good day trade. I got a little lucky, but the patience paid off. I could have made a bad purchase here, just been impatient, bought it too high, and it hasn't returned there yet. So, and I'm probably going to set another alert. I'll probably do it tomorrow. This could be a good weekend trade to catch this tomorrow. So I'll set another alert, and we'll see if we can catch another dip on this coin. Bounce off the bottom Bollinger Band, hit that SMA line, be good to go for another 4 or 5%, maybe more. So patience pays. Another shout out to my friend Ricky, who loves to trade these new coins. And that's all I have for today. Please stay tuned for some additional messages after this, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one.